तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम ना आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो हाँ, तू है तो। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today we are going to do the song Tu Hai To from a recent movie Mr. and Mrs. Mahi featuring the actors Rajkumar Rao and Janhvi Kapoor. From this movie we have also covered the tutorial for the song Dekha Tenu. You can check out in the description box. I'll drop the link. Before starting today's lesson, I would like to mention regarding our live beginner guitar sessions. If you want to enroll for our live guitar classes, you may sign up on our website, which is www.priyadingra.com, or you may contact us on the WhatsApp number given on your screens. Now, without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स का स्केल क्या होगा. Girls can easily play this song on A major scale and the chords are A major, E major and B major. How to play B major? This is A major. A major को आप 1 and 2 frets आगे लेके जाएंगे and with your index finger you can keep a bar on the second fret like this. This becomes B major in bar position, and if you will place your index finger on the second fret first string like this becomes B major in open position. तो क्या chords हो गए? A major, E major and B major. Now the scale for boys. Boys can play the same song on D major scale and the chords are D major, A major and E major. Let's compare these chords with my scale. जहाँ पर मैं A major play करूँगी, there boys will play D major. जहाँ पर मैं E major play करूँगी, there you will play A major. और जहाँ पर मैं B major play करूँगी, there boys will play E major. Now the strumming pattern for the song is down, 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 down. Using just 4 down strokes, you can play this song. Down, 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 down. तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो हाँ. Down, 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 down. This is how you can play the rhythm. Let's move on to the song now. तुझसे मेरा जीना मरना जान तेरे हाथ में, 100 जन्म भी कम क्यों लागे, लागे तेरे साथ में. मैं मुसाफिर तू मुसाफिर इस मोहब्बत के सफर में, दो अकेले रोए मिलके मिलके दोनों रब के घर में, साथ तेरे ना सफर वो सफर नहीं लगता, तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम ना आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो हाँ, तू है तो. सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते। तू है तो हाँ, तू है तो हाँ। I hope you like the tutorial for this song. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the guitar lesson for the song Dekha Tenu from the same movie, Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. I'll drop the link in the description box below. You can post your short covers or short videos on our Facebook community page, which is Priya Dhingra Guitar Courses, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below. You may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम ना आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते।